selfie? Yeah. Just say cool. Yeah. Right. 오늘은 그 어제 기차에서 만난 친구를 잠깐 보려고 하는데 제가 기차 시간이 밤 11시 35분이라서 시간이 좀 많이 남아가지고 체크아웃하고 네, 저 기차표 사는데 도와준 친구 이제 만나가지고 올라라고 하는 그 우버 같은 앱이 있거든요. 그거 이제 잡아가지고 네, 일단 기차역에서 지금 만나기로 했는데 지금 친구는 기차역에 지금 와 있는데 저는 지금 보증금을 못 줘가지고 못 받아가지고 네, 지금 기다리고 있습니다. 네, 일단 보증금 받는 대로 움직여 보겠습니다. 이건 이제 인도의 올라라는 앱인데 여기 이거 안 했으니까 이거 인도 오시면은 설치하시고 오시면 좋을 것 같아요. 네. Hey, hey, we will go to your home.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Yeah. Is it okay to record?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you prefer public transport?
Yeah.
It's very cheap. It's very cheap.
Oh
and
yeah.
efficient.
And how much?
Maybe 15 to 20
50?
to my home.
예. 지금 이제 버스 타고 네 친구 집으로 가려고 합니다. 네. Just description. Yeah. That's all Korean. Yeah. And what did you do in the morning? What did you do?
Just I
Yeah.
arrived from coaching center for entrance exam, as I mentioned you.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Korea.
Korea.
Yeah.
Dakshin Korea. South Korea.
Yeah, south. Yeah. How to say good in Hindi?
अच्छा
Huh?
अच्छा
Acha.
Thank you.
Acha. And thank you.
Appreciate you. हाँ मैं ले लो.
Selfie? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. How to say you're welcome? You're welcome.
अपना आभार.
I'm not about. Yeah. What is the average like
Life expectancy.
yeah average of the sibling?
We just celebrating Christmas.
Yeah. 3? 2 is normal in India. Oh.
Muslim is different.
Okay. You are Hindi. Okay. But in Gujarat have many Muslims here? Yeah.
You are Muslim or Christian?
I'm no Yu-Gi-Oh. You know Yu-Gi-Oh? It's
Shinto religion.
yeah, it's from Chinese. I don't know English to say the Yu-Gi-Oh. I don't know maybe the English is different. I think.
Confucianism.
Yeah. Confucianism. Okay. Yeah, Confucianism. You have the sister or sister? Yeah. The younger sister?
Yes.
Yeah. This bus?
123 by yes.
Okay. Let's go.
It will go from here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 지금 버스 탔습니다. 예. It's first time the local bus. 이거 타고 친구 집으로 가보겠습니다. 네.
It's not so far. It's only 300 to 400 meters.
Okay. Yeah. Say something to Korean people.
Hello, my dear Korean people. Patra.
What's the name?
It's called patra in Gujarati.
Kol Patra.
Yes.
Gujarat.
It's
Kol
very
patra.
healthy food. It's made from leaf. You know the leaf?
I don't know.
The leaf.
I don't know. First time show.
It's another item.
This one.
Yes.
It's like a rice cake.
Yes,
Seems like
it's made from rice.
Ah,
Yes, it's
okay,
made.
okay, that's why.
It's different.
Ah, okay.
Bola Dada. Security.
Security.
Is our watchman.
Ah, okay, okay. Yeah, thank you. How to say the hi?
Hi is hi.
Yeah.
No.
Huh?
Only hi.
No, it's a Hindi. I mean,
You can say namaste also.
namaste.
But hi is everywhere.
Everywhere. Goodbye, bye. Goodbye, goodbye.
Hi is also like similar.
Similar.
Look all the decoration. If
Oh.
you came here before 2-3 days,
Yeah. Oh.
it was fantastic, bro.
Oh, it's like a town. They have a security in the.
It's very quiet there. Just
Yeah,
compared
yeah,
to
yeah.
other
Yeah,
places. It's my home.
Wow. Namaste. Namaste. Namaste, namaste. Ah, yeah, yeah. It's okay. Ooh. Oh. Namaste. 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 Oh. Wow.
You can just
Oh. Hi. Namaste. Sleep.
wash our.
Sorry, sorry. Oh. Wow.
And because
Kitchen.
they are doing
Indian kitchen.
cleaning, yes, cleaning. Because I also already tell you our main
Wow.
festivals are Diwali.
So clean. Yeah. Wow. Oh, LG. It's Korean company. You know? Yeah.
Lab's good.
Yeah, yeah. LG.
So this is the second floor.
Second floor. Yeah. It's toilet.
Yes, it's fine.
Oh.
This one is the second room.
Yeah.
Just go. It's the most beautiful place.
Yeah. I think so. Oh, good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tisha बोलावे.
What's your name?
My name is Tisha.
Tisha.
What is your name?
Oh, my name is Myungjin Ko. 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 Just say Ko. Yeah. Ko. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Lisha.
T.
Tisha.
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 Yes.
Okay. And you?
No, she do not understand English.
Okay.
She is from Gujarati.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
BTS Army.
You like BTS? You know
Yes.
BTS?
Yes.
Oh. What's your favorite song? The BTS. What's your favorite song? Like Dynamite and
Yes.
Dynamite?
Dynamite,
You like
yeah.
Dynamite? Oh. You can sing? No?
Sing.
Okay.
बताए ना.
Sing or dance? You can?
Nothing.
Whatever.
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. It's a good place. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Take a rest here. The cricket is like similar to baseball, right? The cricket.
No, it's different.
Different.
Like the ball.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is ball. Oh. Because I'm here that the cricket is the most famous
in India,
sports
yes.
in the India.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Made a mistake, bro.
Mistake?
Chess famous in Korea.
Not too famous. You know the Go, the Go, play the Go. They use the not famous. Go. I think it's loose.
No. Still chance. Bro.
Hmm? Oh yeah. Thanks so much. Yeah.
I told you.
Ah, like this. Ah, this
Plain.
one. Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Can you use this?
Maybe this, like this.
This also, yes.
Yeah.
Like this. Do like this.
Like this.
Straight.
Straight. Oh. Yeah.
I used to play chess 3 to 4 hours every day.
Oh really? Wow.
3 to 4 hours. My rating I am showing you.
Yeah.
League chess.
Is it interesting?
I played more than
Yeah.
say 9,000 games.
Oh,
More
really?
than 9,000.
9,000.
9,000.
Wow.
Your parents using mobile phone?
Mobile phone, yeah, of course. Like same one.
Is it possible to call them?
Now?
Is it possible?
Now now it's yeah. You know in the United States if they marry, the wife is changed to the
Yeah.
family name. Is it India same?
Yes, India same.
Same? But we in Korea is no.
So that's what I'm thinking of.
Yeah. So we not changed the family name.
Children's family name is same as father.
Yes, but nowadays the families they follow to the mother's family name also. Yeah.
Eat, bro.
Yeah.
Sandwich, dokla, and khamar.
Kamar.
Yes.
Can I try it?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's for you.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Texture is seems like the rice cake in Korea. It's similar. Yeah. Hi.
Hi, what is it?
Hi. Yeah.
Stand here. Kho.
Yeah.
Eat.
Eat.
It's all for you.
Eat.
Oh, you know the Indian game, Coco.
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 Indian game.
Indian game. Kho.
Coco. Okay. No. I'm full. I'm really full. Very full. Okay.
મારો જાય રહ્યો તો તારો તો આવી નથી રહ્યો GoPro છે ભાઈ આ વોટરપ્રૂફ હોય પાણીમાં નાખી દે તો એ કાંઈ ના એટલે તો 30,000 આવે हाय गाइस वेलकम टू माय न्यू ब्लॉग तो कैसे हैं आप लोग हेलो गाइस वेलकम तो आज हम खेलने वाले हैं इसके साथ चुड़ैलों के साथ खेलने वाले हैं चार्जिंग बता चार्जिंग यूट्यूबर न्यू ब्लॉग બહુ મજા લઈ લીધા
રેવાદે મૂકી દે રેવાદે મૂક.
So now where we go to the restaurant?
Now
Yeah.
Yes, we are going to a local restaurant.
Yeah.
Provide Chinese foods.
Yeah. Chinese food.
Yes, Chinese
Okay.
food. Limbu soda.
Lemon soda. Okay.
Lemon.
Lemon soda. Okay.
Limbu soda.
How much? I can pay.
Your country. Just taste it. एकदम ओछो नाखो.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah. Good.
No.
Okay.
Just taste it. It's my
Okay.
favorite.
Thank you so much.
Because I am.
How much?
Because I generally drink after dinner. After heavy dinner.
Okay.
It digests all your food.
Yeah, it's salty. Yeah. Salty and
Do you like?
shower.
Do you like?
Yeah. Good poison. Yeah, just good. Not too. Yeah. From Nepal. Oh.
But don't tell me. Don't tell him.
Yeah. Okay.
that I'll from Nepal because
Okay. Yeah.
I'm not sure about it.
Okay. Yeah.
The first time when I asked her, "Are you from Nepal?"
Yeah.
So he angry.
Really?
He became an angry. Yes.
Oh. I understand.
Let's go.
Yeah. Look like me.
Yes. It's a special skill.
See.
There also.
Yeah, China is same.
Like this.
Yeah, walk. Yeah. Oh. Yes, yes.
Like this.
Oh.
Just taste.
Right. 지금은 이제 이거 포장해서 친구 집으로 이제 돌아가고 있습니다. 네. 돌아가서 같이 이제 먹으려고요. 네. 가보겠습니다. 네. What's on the name?
In Hindi, it's called Golgappa.
Oh, okay.
Just taste. Tikki bana.
Yeah, you.
I'm holding it. Tikki bana. Tikki. Try.
Right?
Eat.
What's the name?
Pani puri.
Spani puri?
Eat it fast. Because it's for very short term. This is all for you.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. And you? No?
It's very spicy.
여행 가서 그 중국 음식 먹으면 딱 그 느껴지는 맛? 네. 춘장 맛 나고 그렇습니다. 네. 뭐 특별한 맛은 아니에요. 춘장 맛 많이 나고. 네. 뭐 네팔 사람이 이제 하는 중국 식당이라고 중국 이제 노점상 같은 거였는데 뭐 맛은 근데 괜찮습니다. 네. 먹을만해요.
Spicy?
No, nothing.
No?
Yeah. nothing spicy. 매운맛이 전혀 없습니다. 네. 맵게 해달라 했는데 매운맛이 전혀 없습니다. 네. Never spicy. Really, I'm honest. 이제 그 친구 집 떠나서 뭄바이 가는 기차역 지금 가려고 합니다. 네. 여기서 잘 쉬고 잘 먹고 정말 잘 있다 가네요. 네. 어떻게 또 기차역에서 우연히 만나가지고 네, 잘 있다 갑니다. 생각보다 그 인도 친구들이 되게 착한 것 같아요. 진짜 약간 정도 많고 되게 가족 애가 되게 많은 것 같습니다. 네. 기차 시간이 11시 반이라서 지금 1시간 반 전에 미리 가서 기차역도 찾고 뭐 이렇게 해야 되니까 미리 가 있는 게 좋을 것 같아서 네, 1시간 반 전에 지금 출발합니다. Do you understand?
Nothing. No one.
Yeah, of course, yeah. I just description to I'm go to the station. Yeah. And I'm the really stay very well in your house and just description. Yeah. Yeah. Quick.
Which country?
Korea, South Korea. Yeah.
I'm from London.
Are you from London?
I just coming here.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Ah.
just for holiday.
Just for holiday.
Yeah.
You study in the London?
No. I'm just working over there.
Ah, okay. See you. Yeah, see you. Yeah. Bye. Say bye. 오늘 이렇게 친구 집에서 쉬다가 기차 타러 가보겠습니다. 네. 오늘도 그러면은 감사합니다. 네. Yes. Like this. Yeah. Yes. It's 140. 1 meter 40.
1 meter.
This one, maximum.
1.40.
Yeah, maximum. Yeah.